Mommy go ahead why? We go ahead na. We go fast mo by zia na. Why you know na omo de yachim. Right. Okay, I do mention Kofi. Say and wife birthday. Mrs. Lydia Asante. We flew knu Kofi Asante. I do mention. I say wish you happy birthday. Obi choice. Na we be go there. And then some another presentation.
Okay.
Me be
fantastic.
Na unse.
Well, Christian do say there na.
Ura. Any the Black Stars jersey. Any the money website. You know website do any.
Okay.
Nice one.
Yeah.
The Black Stars of Ghana jersey, home jersey. No?
Yeah.
Yes. Christian do say wait for your friend. Asante.
Okay.
Virginia. And also young farmer Christian. Eti adi say yeah. Asante.
Say if you buy Yamisha ne pa. And then remove Tiska over $100.
Wait, $90.
$100.
Almost. Yeah.
Nanji pa kron chese opo asemi pa.
Yes,
enti Asante Nyamisha.
Asante na mu no da bia na han jesi bedu ya cheba na mbe kansa. Tina han da bia no ofre this is Sankai. This is Sankai. Is finally Christian Saka. They say Christian obi mi obi. Andy obi. Obi de onu de wodi ka ari ba gogu ni yam. Say ba ko ba. Minim say no ya we aso nya we de no so na kwaso ba.
Mu ti ehye bia ye de ni already.
Ayi ni bi Jake ni bi. Jake ni bi. Abigail so obi. Eno so na kwaso ba. Abigail so obi na kwaso ba. Jake ni bi. Be white ni bi. Nti eja hinsu ni bi. Okay. Darling Pons ni bi. All right. Yakwa anima na yen hwensem ni mu. Well, Kumasi Asante ko nsem no ene said the ten dey ne ba betiki eye nsem no dodo na no. Ena Jonathan Mensah so the nsem bi atudwa se nukremu yenka nukre nche damfo enza damfo agro. Nukre ne say there issues with the Black Stars captaincy. Obi obeka say issues bi ani hu bia oboa. He's the first player wetimi aka nukre. Was ade no ho. Na eno so e ba behwe. Say Asante ko case no. And they say yenhwe CAF omu tweeting ye no CAF ade omu tweet over the two omu Twitter page CAF online na omu list clubs omu make it into the next stage of the CAF Champions League and say anything yeah they ever to your Facebook page how to see you have Facebook live we betimi AS Vita Al Ali Petro Atletico CR Beludad and a Transportive de Tunis Al Hilal Omdurman El Merek Cofisil Kaiser Chiefs well any of the other teams the TB Mazembe Twangith any Omama Kenya but the main Al Hilal Omdurman they are telling us Omdurman Bumpe let's just say Asante Kotoko on it Al Hilal game no Al Hilal are declared winners of that game. And the questions be braba already not gonna go as more can say Kwame Poku in fact Obi last time no ni that's our now home fan Koroko 7 years Kwame Poku dia no much in letter form Koroko akwa ye another test our military hospital the way they did buy Al Shalid Abdul Muaz Ataya Molecular Biology Lab. And of course, it came in a letter form. The letter was not signed. And then I got to go from there. The mom suspects something fishy. If I got to go about 7 or 8 players, there's so many covered. No? But it looks like Kwame Poku Diano how it was brought to. Kwaba no count on the no bechi. And on me and a letter see. But Kotoko case ni nyina ko je kwampuku so and na me concern kaka because looks like God address no dey I know dey e ba sa dey o say e ba no na but kwampuku dey no ma ko another test and the new test no results no and no say the two is here mama here live on Facebook obetimi ho any Republic of Sudan General Command of Sudanese Army General Administration of Military Medical Services Department of Medical Laboratories and Blood Banks Molecular Biology and Research Center. It is dated the 7th of January 2021. That was yesterday. Kwame Poku Ghana and the passport number also. The age 20. Come on, don't do. Okay, 22 years. Now, I just said no COVID-19. Those are not detected. Yeah. Signed by 2 doctors, Brigade Dr. Ismail Osman Khalid and Samuel Musa Abdam El Sharif. Omiyonu sign. Or say not detected result means the result is negative, according to the WHO COVID-19 report guidelines. It's kwampuku diano. Now, second go timika na asem year. Yanshe hawa kono in the because say Oma declare the CAF online the Bible and say kono could not raise the team. And almost some men who's one raise the team are declared losers.
Yeah.
Minim dia but eno bi ka chance kono ko ko ana ka faka so ngo board for floor. But whichever way the right thing must be done.
Yeah.
Nana Christian will say March Commissioner.
Yeah.
Also say
Ajaribe I ready. March Commissioner report.
March Commissioner's report. Also say
Koto continue raise a team. Yeah.
Also after test results of both teams, Asante Kotoko team can't raise 15 players to start the match, so the game can't be played.
Chairman, baby, I'm more problem. They said this is not the report.
This is the March Commissioner's comment.
A news portal been reporting.
Yeah. Some March Commissioner say. Yeah.
I was careful because hot news.
Yes.
Until
and also but the reports coming up from even CAF.
Yeah.
And they said could not raise the team.
Yes.
Because almost say 15 players out in ball. I also provided 11 players, one of whom should be a goalkeeper.
Yeah.
And also 4 substitutes.
Yes.
Now said the total team will be 15. Now, Kotoko case no dentia Kotoko yire ne ho a obetimi a fight case ni yie. Aye Kwampoku dey go. If Kwampoku are tested negative, they could have made it to the 15 team number. What you say?
Yeah.
The team number would have been 15.
Okay.
Because I can 14 players. And clearly, say Ure Kotoko and Toka and answer the Omo prayer. I'm saying Kotoko and contest the other COVID cases because and your money unless I know some and then no about negative. But when go about negative, that's about couldn't say no some unless I could go no the betray. Say Gamma anyone have fun the almost get about negative.
Yeah.
Then you make a case that there was a mishap.
Yeah.
But they say Kwampoku dianu kwan om diaba. Se Kwampoku dianu base Kwampoku ye negative. E chese ke Kwampoku omo a kobeti abobo no be raise team no.
Na chairman pacho CAF 4 draw near that bay.
Ene
Enti Misusu se anka Kumasi Asante Kotoko ehwe nanim na okọ nanim anka beboa.
mentia se omo kọ nani omo heru nim se
gare na hwe gu anwem.
So okay dey na say when I go paper no na go say replay na go and go a kafu from ma
CAF ho na nkasa no mafia wo ho.
We who the mafia na dey go to be.
Oh sir, say we no ni no ade bufo no almost story the same.
Oh okay.
No ade bufo no so challenge say some of the results were not authentic. But omuja ho ko omukrom and akotko qualify for the next round. Okushia El Hilal. Enti ebia na say si. Anka ne papa mu no say team B 2 kwan free ni krom akokro fufuro so na yare we enti challenges wo wa. Na wo sanka CAF for na nkasa wo mo medical team a on be my independent report because a home teams in Pempi they try to influence the results of this COVID-19 test and all of that. Into idea back where was a CAF for drink also. Especially you run into the group stages no teams need be brave you suit to advantage. And that's the other side of football. Asem we see you know Nanaya Amponsa Frere, Deputy General Secretary of CAF, Tony Bafu, or Ghana ha. So one no more former 7 to CAF and him. They see and say Tony Bafu added to Nanaya Amponsa and him say on through the FE, which they've done. but the point is say I was say CAF tie obia no asem obetie kotokode nyese o tie kotokode na no amani qualification obesa tie de El Hilal fo no so woka na impempi no CAF draw letter on Maldays. Oh, El Hilal Omdurman Sporting Club, you have till the 3rd or the 10th of January to respond to these issues. The see will be Brem Hane say, and sana sa deadline ni bedru no. Football club be san ko trauma CAF so man extension. Obeka asem na wie no, na tournament no, ya bo awie. Inti mi de madwe mu no misusu se ne esi course won kran akotokoni no adibu anu adibu fo no gitum omuko omukurom no kotokoni ntum mane hani hu bebre so okokas or kosei because cast no one application fee €1,000 single judge obetina asem so no €3,000 €30,000 so per multiple judges on the case €45,000 now why na kwako to SS kanu Kotoko can have the evidence, but in CAF's own manipulation.
Now, sir, I'm a boss that you say, and can enter you a kafa. Oh, no. And can not for cries. Now that you're no any team or the koi on one team, on one Daniel video, on one team, or the community from what was the scene on Mazazero. Tony Buffalo, no crap, Chairman. Match commissioner comment here by me sure say match commissioner or trying to report nyina no odi hu komo woni trim say na nkrofo muntumi ntua per diem e ma mo players score strike there kamoni Africa cry ye yi mu free mu asanka mu danyame ase nti don't waste your time men you see they have me one another policy administration in the communication no don't raise the hopes of the supporters say oh kwa koye bibi adie na ehwie gu brafie ni enhihye ni omane foforo don't waste your time men nya wo say wo bibi a wo kwa koye bibi ani wa be CAF no they don't wait for you CAF on twen e na oye draw no minim so betime nya injunction CAF on injunct on one tournament into the best option is to come back home of which they are coming. Then we start afresh. Maybe there's an opportunity somewhere. Meaning say Confederations Cup playoff and it's an man or what. Then you start planning towards that. But El Hilal game where there. Gareno e fie guanyem. Yen shisha jumane fufro na yen koyenim. These are my initial comments on all of this brouhaha about CAF there. Chairman, yes, some make the examples of Mamelodi Sundowns. Omune mediama okay me refi the exact year omu free omu sanya akwenya buy ma piso masimani and the team no called J CAF Champions League and all of that. Yeah.
But in this case no, and that's where the problem comes again. I know you have one major defect of Nanaya administration, networking, football networking. Okay, krata management trokoma PFAG. Not Nanaya Alfred Tony Bafono. How did he feel? In that Tony Bafono mu din komo a almost re anti akwa we okoye nyina no wasa ba ye ho. Enne se kotoko betro krata akoma kafa. E wo se fa FA ho. Prosper Harris Nado. The omudi here papa no enne o tro kra onu kwa betime delay process no.
Udrusa for cry no koye. Udrusa.
Obetime delay process no. So the challenges and anaya unankasa or building a foundation challenges or setting it up no or kwa ni nini asa abehia no oduro safo na lead you koye onini nya problem Tony Bafo ono na intervene ye ka che PFG for say leave the guy enne ono na ogina mama kotoko kafo F9 na obetro letter no impanyifo asopa omo kama omo letters ano eden. So it's now gotten back to you.
And yeah, no go strike and so. And I pay strike for so Eddie Adibia beto. It is sad, but I'm hoping me. It's not me. Kotoko Bethia about even Kotoko a lot of questions to do, and I evidence said and it looks like they say well who said they also put in the house in order.
Yeah.
Strike for a treaty at DB. Strike Ghana some 15 hours ago. I say thank you Asante Kotoko for using our trolley bags. Safe journey, still fabulous. Almost person I'm say Kodoko Sudan no. Strike bag, trolley bags.
Yeah, we no sa pay video ni picture we Kotoko check in. I want the hotel
Sudan no.
And obi to me capture Emmanuel Jemfi. I'm saying Emmanuel Jemfi enya aerial bags ni bi.
And the strike bag no.
Yeah, strike bag Emmanuel Jemfi kura edeko.
And a strike for the other two.
Strike force here with the problems. Enya befitting oh we ase no. Okwa obesaba o. Enya befitting adie o. Eno so eno ne kura Kotoko omode kwa Africa. Nti enyoma ne dosun. And your man militate against this administration, no, a dozen. One, but the point, and say, it's time to, and you're late. You bet me up by a cheap, I reverse it, you bet me I reverse it. As a here, if we set the various standards right. He stepped on too many toes and money honey who or Hilal for him.
No.
I'm
planning for the Confederations Cup.
You can look at the loss. Say CAF 4 months, 3 months in terms of a game or problem, or you can appeal in 3 months and all of that. But I can tell you, say, not tournament because you don't have friends in the system.
And there's a friends in
oh, friends in the sense that. I'm not sure say Harris Nadu Kra so forward the collect and crack off. Also the call. Sent message on fans. Oh, screenshots in fans and the Kotoko new manico. Well, that's the situation, and it's unfortunate, Chairman. And the new normal, as far as Yari we are concerned.
But they say it means that I got to go back. No cause of a plan. Maybe me sugar can is already we know I got to go in serious financial situations. We got not going to go pay facility we cry no cry and all that. And one says na confederation. It means that the lessons they will learn from this and say, if you have an away game, you have to go make sure that you go like 5 or 4 days to the game.
Chairman, my question back Ukraine say
how do you guy or COVID test answer?
Yeah, no more testing or to cancer no mutu.
Aye. Say before you travel. No?
Yes, you do the test.
You do the test. So we test. Look at the test results.
Kotoka test no then
negative.
Players ni negative.
Negative.
So mudru Sudan hono.
Because any negative am on flight.
Into mudru Sudan hono na ni emu ensu ana ensu adane positive.
Aye.
Na Kotoko no ordine hand sanitizer, don't go hand sanitizer and then nose mask omo di bi koye.
Omo di nyina bi koye.
Na ntia ba ne se no munya yare no. Ewo Sudan ho.
Tina Kotoko so almost suspect say obi anya yare no na.
Say you suspicious no. And no di bu for no suspect here no. Nchakoya mafia game na ebo Africa. But it's unfortunate.
Right, at the last day because CAF will also have to take some of the blame because
absolutely.
Say who's a year hano Africa and I'm going kind of the same guy say on Brony Chrome no some of these things it will be very difficult for any person to falsify. So what I say. Grace Mintio na Mintio doctor yeah.
And some there are 2 theories. You share the 2 sides of the coin. The first one is Africa near one. Now Africa one people do not respect fair play. Okay. Teams any among for na fair play there. A lot of teams do not respect fair play. Any other means be through foul means, including foul means. I'll bet me at this amono. They will go through the process and take undue advantage of the system just to weaken you. And it can happen in Africa. Say it might not be true. Name
Mr. Mamma information cannot be say Dr. Safo J na me kasa isi. Or say a bit dicey. Or no all addressing the issue no. Okay. But regards to the virus and this testing, okay. You can test positive in the morning, okay. And negative in the morning and test positive in the evening. Okay. Or say how the virus works. Ebi okay. Not one virus no. But maybe a like a system enye ye obeti detected.
Oh, enka
enti na say for instance omo mutu kwan from on ba no. Who's also test results of not less than 72 hours before beba. Enti na say drew why you test no. It just say test results ebi kwa unse andi dey say andi dey say andi dey odime nyina tell me onye oye nyina obi anya bi
I said no test no smell.
yes no test no smell there
no test no smell
unse you testing no me say you testing na me negative but the next day me started symptoms dey me nya me friend doctor say and I think the test was done a bit early.
Okay,
it is possible.
Okay,
and so but doctor say it could be so better tested positive negative in Ghana. If you go do a test on negative because let's not forget
me Zlatan
Ibrahimovic, yes.
Zlatan dini
or tested negative to COVID. I say I tested negative to COVID yesterday and positive today. No symptoms whatsoever. COVID had the courage to challenge me. Bad idea. that's
the BIPC want to say a day ansana over tested positive no a day before
no tested
negative.
Yeah.
Chamo ye be Kotoka International Airport 1st September 2020. Mekaya so kaya ye be no protocols back when another do two jane say ansana ubefi baby aba o mamu ase no e wo say wo ba no na wa ye COVID-19 test a wa test negative maximum 72 hours before so obaba Ghana ase it you know it is understood say ye be Kotoka International Airport no obi a wo fro man fufro bia so abaga na ase no all ba no a tested negative 3 days answer na all ba bachemoti san krofo na omo tested negative 3 days before they came to Ghana na do last COVID-19 update wasi nipa na efi o man fufro so abaga na ase no 11,118,278 emu 712 atesi positive sa 712 no na omu nyina no tested negative 3 days before they were embarking to their journey to Ghana. While they were coming to Ghana 3 days na no moba no me negative. 3 days later they came to Ghana, they tested positive. You must have tested ebia negative and 3 days later obetimi akọ no akọ tested positive. Zlatan dey a typical example.
Well, another instance and as Scott say when you are traveling from Kotoka, you don't do the test. And sometimes it also depends on the country you are traveling to.
Okay.
Yeah. Also, for instance, Ghana they are mandatory, so this hard Ghana. Your countries be home
Okay.
Your country be also enyemra say also what test or without test results and now their country or no say ufri Kotoka. For example, Sudan who they be no anyone has or test cry. But whichever way, say you declare going to go losers of that game because they are saying they could not raise the team.
Yeah.
The entire editor the Twitter handle said Omacho letter not even a response and
Africa Faba
and a cover so I taking the decision I say email sent 24 hours ago no reply but then you tweet a list of the next group stage for the next group stage where does it include Asante Kotoko hashtag what a joke hashtag do the right thing at CAF online.
They've still not learnt their lessons. We propaganda, cheap propaganda. Nipa na okwa sren ho ade no. We are telling the person is a joke. We are now telling CAF is a joke.
The same joke now okay.
Na me catch you say, oh yeah, I don't know say. Omo ye mrofo so mo free abibrem hawo. CAF na wo ko na a mafia institution. Who sound so they to us they should forget. They should forget, especially this sort of posture. Mwa CAF official bia who's idea we are. Nibu krabefu say we sending mail 24 hours on responding to your joke. And you betcha pa mail ni betcha wumpa. Oh, inti who send your besia kawasemwa. Sometimes you bring some of these things to raise the hopes. Let the supporters know the reality. Kotoko is out, and if you are out, it's not. And Chelsea, that's the end of the club. There's another opportunity. Why don't we start thinking about the next opportunity and wasting our time on Hilal? Whereas you did it to Nwadibu. Nwadibu for the same thing.
Hilal came to beat you even in Ghana.
Even look, the man who's Adiano Krano in Shada was here taking it serious. They say if this management was truly serious about this COVID-19 and its whole issues in terms of footballer, they see between Kotoko any Mauritanian side no ka Kotoko ko Sudan away game no say no musi ye no ha na nkombe bo mu ye because it was likely that the Sudanese will replicate what you did to the Mauritanians. It was not smart thinking. Udruana Sudan for the ayawa o say utro command have 24 hours na computer na say okay computer na say
computer na say
calf computer na say obey anything
over phone
Chairman, we've got to start.
Right now, we agree, sir.
Well, Obi is saying that God should forget about
no,
this
he's
game.
making a point.
And I don't know, but I kind of.
But we are.
I don't know, but I'm as I'm yearly need to weigh in a class.
We agree, sir.
Let's move on.
We agree, sir. Clubs are now using COVID-19 as a weapon.
Yes.
As a weapon.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Chamu.
And that is why I think CAF are also not doing their work too well. And that is why I think CAF is a joke. CAF truly the unim yawasembo yenka based on your position. Many obiya they be a denta is an oya management member of Asante Kotoko. With the giant in yenka CAF you joke. If a CAF ubeteka use the most useless confederation. Why? But oya club official now participating in a now you you want to make your case. Now I was thinking that if you state your facts on your now as I attack you crowd Kebian Gabroni go and certain task no member of the British Empire. It's your no be a hono and Bahano now you referee for Intimia Momoka F word F off Omoka Jomoda ko catch Masua Hansen. I want takwa say F off so one record and Kotrevia.
Me say there are two things. Because Africa, Abia class when you use COVID-19 as a weapon.
Exactly, that's what they are doing.
Because the entire Kotoko case is very difficult to fight for. They say the same system you are fighting against, what benefited from? And now I can't say Kotoko. You did Kotoko yi. One for swearing. But on the other side, Chamo, have you also paused to reflect? Say, Abia no Abia Kotoko place no COVID-19 empire.
And let's say another side because you are making it look like
yes. What if these players are truly COVID-19 positive? By this time, Kotoko company for also taking measures of how to recover these players from COVID-19 because
okay,
they should not make it a case.
Okay. Me yet to ask they should not just look at the things. Say, okay, say ever the Kwampoku did negative because I don't quantity then so for my.
What about the others?
What about the others? I don't know others. No, I can't some year. No, some year almost test now.
Yeah,
because some year test. Some year test. Some year no so bad. But say all those people say, "Sadio Moko military you know." Negative.
Yes,
because Uncle yes sir, Nebia will be a positive truly. Now, Umani Mengo with the team. Now you're part of the team. Nibia. What I say? I just say best ready within the team. And let's not forget, Kotoko back Ghana, they come to play in the Ghana Premier League.
Of course. And on the other side, let's look at say it could be also be true. Because Ghana has said the WSA and Yemano. And you Kotoko there COVID-19 test, we only team COVID-19 test both friendly game no. And you have to in the start a campaign now, I bring on your COVID-19 test. So it is extremely possible. Said these players could be COVID-19 positive. Possible. We are looking at possibilities. Say be Africa do bet me decide mandate me that is you. It is possible. But what if it is actually true? Okay? Kotoka International Airport test case in the said December. Among for A2 kwa abaga na say na 3 days before some but don't negative no. December any part 387 in COVID-19 positive or Kotoka International Airport. These people, 387, 3 days before they were coming, they were negative. 3 days before some magana no me negative. So, if you bet testing negative and or China now you're positive. And then when the doctor Safoje Kasa, almost a virus or mutate, because a mutation or evolve to a new form. Virus no new variant or more infection rate even higher than before.
Yeah.
The new variant of the virus, even infection rate, higher than before. The infection rate could be very, very higher at this moment. And possibilities and but what if these players are actually COVID-19 positive and for this player to recover from COVID-19?
Well, I don't say another side that Christian it makes a Nano do suffer when he narrated what actually happened.
I said Ghana for no. Yes, first Bambonini. I someone somebody kotoko Kromas, Ghana Kromano. Yes, and Papa. Yaminti Engosiata. Ya call back the back Kromano. No anajo. Any a obitex.
Why am not as somebody seeing no do suffer and narrate the train. As the ATS and do team land this is here. Okotoka International Airport and clearly Omobano they will have to go through the they say you're going to boy deal because say Kotoko also test Obia $150. I have a test Obia. Hey. That's why basically the back to go Jamadi Omojina.
So my no calf nankasano yare we muno. I was so no any independent medical team wa ekuru bia so ebi wo
yes
the tosumienu sa sembi say toa I was say careful a compensate you kotoko aboka no dia ko musudano bo na maso anya kotoko fault covid-19 nya kotoko ne create ye wako say iska ho bo na wanya mo mranti na je mo pa diem I was so mo pa bibi kakra ma kotoko eye nyoma mienu and I was say calf and money or more again because the rate at which teams need use against themselves no a hard dream.
I don't think baby I mentioning Obinya Jinki to Ebene say Kotoko to let it go. Ebia it might not be in the interest or benefit of Kotoko, but to prevent future occurrence.
Okay.
Because teams need to be the other teams to going forward. Say Kotoko then you create a test case because as it stands now we could see fraud. So Kampoku Denukwa you detect an element of fraud inside test of the battle.
Because what can say
negative or positive. Later it become positive. It is a team detective fraud per CAF own regulation. Said I'm Raneka. Media majority. New say maybe it might not be in the interest of Kotoko, and that's the ultimate benefit of Kotoko alone, but to prevent say other teams going forward, and use COVID-19 as a weapon to disarm the opponent.
When Kotoko used it against Mauritania,
it might not be in the benefit of Kotoko. But going forward,
Kotoko better fight case now Ababe
fight today. That is only they should not waste their energies there.
Because what about such a confederations can be Mokoboy? Nasa Kotoko Sanko away, if you Govobia Baha, Kotoko Ashen 1-0. Omoko say and go furnish 2 Oma qualify. Now Oma the same thing. Now got a good team because got to go ready to register 28 players and more paper.
Yeah.
And so now I'm say okra, eti or onkoi. Okra, some young tono. Say transfer travel go to go nyaka play. Na no say no je baba kan wasem later. Okra no te ogota has backland ho. And I go to go players abobo no so. And also ha. Say go to go away. Na team no so no say ontimi nche go. No so a crime be so laboratory na go test na ewo ni mo bu honom ko ye ana eho ye unze kobu ho kwa for instance akọ bia Abidjan akọ Côte d'Ivoire ASEC supporters about 98%. Just say almost everybody is ASEC. Now ni ASEC go ba now go test e yina no must okay 10 players positive it doesn't win more ball now you declare the winner by 2 goals to 0. Sana CAF from running till until people use it as a weapon.
That's why CAF was so young independent medical team for every game center.
The most fraudulent aspect of all this is
Christian, you will establish fraud.
Always
establish fraud.
Always. And you're waiting.
Have you established the fraud?
The fraud in this one poku dey test case or test. No, there is also on the board. Fraud.
Have you established fraud as a pundit?
Obi, no.
No, you've not.
Tobasi. Kwame poku dey no. Kwame poku dey no.
Contradictory reports. Hold on.
Contradictory report.
On the match day, test the course. Our match commissioner who you know. I know I see Kwame Poku positive. Kotoko na koya ni dia say negative. Other now say fraud.
Na Kwame Poku dey no. What was even a typo?
It was typed. It wasn't signed.
No, report behind. Check the first report. There's a seal. It's a seal that documents Biaswa. It is authentic. There's a seal. Yansha first report. There's a seal on it. There's a seal on the first report.
There's a seal on this one too.
There's a seal. to establish fraud.
Okay, where's the seal, Nini?
Yes, seal ball. And these are laboratories we presume said they are all authentic. Into to presume fraud, ne dear. I was here El Alifo case, El Hilal, Kotoko. Then there's a judgment to establish fraud. But based on these two documents, we can't say there's fraud. There's not enough evidence for fraud.
Law school be right.
Oh, there be say
fraud there. And go follow them here, no, my type one here, no. And yet sign. You must say seal boss what? Seal boss authentic.
Seal authentic. Say Dr. Asafo JT. Only you know you will tell him. Bosso seal ne ball no. Wo one Ghana House Service wo only be na anis. And I no. A problem.
But they see no me fetch last year me change me seal at all.
Oh no but yeah okay so stop here and there's a signature there for you.
And that is why I maybe Bruce said Sokotoko pa they must push forward and establish an element of fraud. Because if they want because na me no mkreni so omo establish and me ntwa sa de so a CAF emfa COVID-19 protocol officer enko ma bia so they will not do it. And they will allow other teams to use COVID-19 as a weapon. How do we stop it? How do we stop it now?
Sekotoko share 4 goals. Ewa Accra. Anka El Hilal for omunya di omoye no. Kotoko share 4 goals a. Anka bema nkofo na bobol no. Wa win match no. Na wa mu ntumi ntia pediem. O players omo so mu training. O ko wani makoyi. Ada
well, the case also Kodoko making say, and which I've heard from a lot of Kodoko supporters, and they say, Omo no, there was a response from CAF. CAF decided to give them the next day.
Yes.
Because they challenged the results.
Yes.
Kodoko also challenged the results.
Yes.
There has not been any response from CAF.
Yes.
Okay, and then we just say, you know, quiet.
Yes.
Kodoko they are almost Sunday.
The basic evidence they say, enra ball na maso die. Enra ball na maso no. Kodoko is out. Say ball na nkebe baso a, nka enra ne baso. And until me pese so management no they should tell the supporters the reality. Ball no adiachi so in premier no enya de beba so.
Okay, that is I'm not koye kwampoku you know. Test no. Now I'm going to chairman commission and say after that we can raise the team.
Yes.
Until let's play. Na me let's play no. Ebe Ghana ni Cote d'Ivoire de bi. Ye bobo ya draw 2-2. Okay. And you say adiasa. Ghana for you say adiasa ye hu ball no. And you go for 7 minutes ni apon 2-2. Cote d'Ivoire ayo Cameroon no. 2-2. You say adiasa ye hu. Aka say 7 minutes as 8 minutes. And you go ye protest ma chere CAF. Say yen tiase CAF ye replay. Omo say 3. Oh, adebu ho a o kun wan so no why careful. Kodoko can make the case, fight it, hope for the best.
Yes.
But channel their energies to the next game. Because there is an opportunity to play the Confederations Cup.
Yeah.
Because you could not raise the team. It's not like you decided not to play. Tibia, Yavana said 110 Yapo. You could not raise the team based on COVID. Now CAF so COVID now or they only shake of when you know. And now all competitions, so be tested COVID that the game is postponed. CAF the also no kwani the end here. So be tested positive when you are ready team, you lose the game. You forfeit the game. Why should it be like that?
Yeah.
CAF kwani another no say yes and then go say if any team any COVID cases no one team are ready team. You bet set another date for the game. But rather than you say, one of it, you could go cow boy or the coast Sudan. Ashegu, Omu hotels, everything. And CAF is not taking responsibility for anything.
Yeah.
Omu jenso omu tikairu. Argentina, South Africa game back here, omu yene. I know man yes, now South Africa COVID cases, they came back, omu postpone.
Yeah.
I didn't know man kase, oman kase. Confirm ko South Africa go do na kaza cheese for omo test positive then na born maso no my winners aba CAF double standards no so too much
a system nankasa no mafia no
tina CAF no go for FIFA general secretary better on be run
yeah because ekuo no my biggest worry is say ne ye can't CAF Champions League, the elite club competition on the continent. Africa, Ghana, ye need rep ho. Say a jaibe my list now. Sudan 2, Egypt 2. I'm saying Ghana, Nigeria, Cameroon, Senegal, powerhouses are ye need listening. And I'm worried because it's becoming there's a certain consistency in Ghana's inability to compete at the highest level as far as club football is concerned. And then translated by your national teams, you know, into Ghana koji wafu zombia ni ebose. It sounds like you could share Morocco for ni Sudan for now. Into me more. We are not making progress. We no any kotoko issue a national discussion. I was saying ye share ways you bet me improve your standings.
But the good thing is that Kato Kreku as the FA president is offered a chance to go on the CAF executive committee.
Yes.
Representing the CAF Wafu Zombi, you know, on any president in April.
Yeah. Most likely.
Yes, let's wish him the best.
Yeah.
Anyway, the general secretary of CAF competitions, Tony Bafo, who is a Ghanaian.
Yes.
Sani Dara, a member of the CAF media committee. Kofi Soho. Yeah. Kofi has been there for a long time. Kofi for some time. And the thing is, me then say, the system should work. You don't have to get someone there. Oh, that's it. Adena, what is England for say? Omuni baby UEFA for committee be so. The very moment you are thinking you should get someone there is because you don't trust the system.
Absolutely. Say no na inti na obe Fred Tony Bafuno. Inti say mail ne kwa. The entire debate was say 24 hours. Omo responding to mail no. Say Tony ne be fa phone. And friend nipa no wo oti computer no say kotoko through the FA sending mail bi inti omo check it. That's why sometimes you need people there. But if the system was right, Sanka 24 hours they would have responded to the mail. A full 24 hours, no response. So you need someone to push. That's Africa. I know.
Because on CAF Nankasa the COVID-19 testing, authenticating, there's no dispute about it.
Because I think I heard about CAF having a medical. Yeah. A medical center, a medical officer,
yes.
Now, participate.
Yes.
No medical center.
Yes.
But no, I must say, ni pass them here. Parliament about.
Opinion said Dr. Asafoje with lots of credibility. You can't trust him. CAF bet me I trust him. Say someone landi wo Kumasi Nkwadia. Dr. Asafoje is the final one to handle all of those things. That will give us clarity. But the point, the Armenians say Mauritania they had the opportunity for replay because they have friends at CAF. Does Kotoko have friends? And now make also friends.
That's why I'm saying the system is wrong. Why should I have a friend for me to be giving a fair due?
That's Africa,
Anyway,
and just all Africa.
Well, and some Abano, but the Dr. Prince Pambo and Zakasa. Well, Nia, those have seen your Okaino.
Near Okai, Sana Chedia, nature say, not so be ewo. And yet Hilal official, never say, or handle COVID issue, via Efa Kotoko. In fact, African ewo. O kobo matcha, o opponent, and then in any way or form, and to the extent that Hilal official mum the result break protocol fundamentally wrong. Testing the Biano a COVID-19 appointed doctor. Now was in charge. Now no are dealing with the two doctors of the teams. Until the second result Hilal for Mudienye, Kotoko for Mudienye, everything was a duly signed, and it was a standard for Obia and so. And the Senator Okano na because and signing a deal of different ways, so and I Hilal for involved a 2 month and a COVID-19 doctor no. Ekase opese or ne Kotoko doctor ekasa and all that. I think that winning now is fundamentally wrong. Now, they also say one. Also, call your testing, no. Also, because all the teams involved in say your COVID-19 doctor.
Well, and some of Dr. Prince Famboka just said name and some said yes, Yakoeno. Yan share how Kotoka bedroom, Omanaso Kotoka International Airport. Omunim some better testing you some new, but also I'm picking my bags and all those things. And I have a go through unity. I said you got to situation, and so ABC Akko. Train team no na de hard uni koroko eba no omu nyina na abo Christian Rezi issue be say what about o yen for say yampa so say nipa bi na so manya covid omu nya biampa
also on quarantine also self isolation
eti omu nyina na godo team nyina na abo mu omu nyina aba
test no ha potoka na ehu omu ye positive. And money more no near Jomunia cost.
But the thing is that just omni go for omni mama kana minglewi. Enti gotta go so a game against Liberty on Monday. It's what happens to that game. What you say?
Statue no.
It's just some na just go nyin tum so manya.
Yeah.
Tio.
Na say Christopher Neti no only Christian native so native boys. Yeah, we mo can see players no manya COVID-19 no. O man separate mu. Omo nyina ni team ni nyina na back to their hotel. It maybe what if there's that possibility say at least e bia nya 7 ni nyina e bi kwa na 2 or 3 per bia na nya COVID-19 no. Management na they no mo here to separate those players from the others. Because by this time they say no crase bia mienu bia nya ya de ni bia. Na management anti any measures to isolate our players na. Me sure say nya test ni bia na better na nya bi. E bia mo mpa say nya no kre.
Okay.
By no kre na some penifans and pretty to those players na there's also a danger looming.
Okay. Well, it's $150 each and also try for air COVID test no. And so honum. Na ya ba betwin komo. Ya ne loss here ba for betwin komo. E je kwa ba ka for say omo no dentia omo expand registration from 30 to 40 players no because of COVID no. Say e bi atena bi na nkofo ni bi test positive. Ba ka for no me say omo ya kwadwofo eye joke na da bi obi ka omo ye joke. Now we're sending to 40.
How many scabia?
Oh, I'm scam for play. 40 and play Mutuka.
Na nipa 40 o do mutu kwa na 20 konya yare na no be ni dey.
Aka 20. No mabo. O say aka 20 e dey half nya. Half nya mo babo.
O man hear the financial implications.
Is amazing.
Go for mo pa.
What they want traveling cost in Kwa. Was it team register 40 players? How do they pay for 30 players? 40 players busumi biano. African team and register 40 players, enter 40 players.
95.7.
Meanwhile, in financial on Fantenekasu. Then you expect the team to register 40 players. 40. Or to kwaya on for 40 in Amra. Nebinya COVID, Nebia Timiabo. Carve themselves is not serious. And almost other clubs, taking advantage of the system to cheat. The blame squarely should be put on CAF. But CAF no need to say. On now sending a mail or a plus one view. Do the no corner papacy say. CAF is a joke.
Well, Amber Rose, and your birthday, happy birthday to you, Amber Rose. When him say, and more chilling. Samson and you invite you. Amekum.
Okay.
You're based on the to them.
Okay.
It's small.
And that's you.
Okay, Bakubina. Nana, you need to now this. Okay, you know reflecting, checking the clear now this. I know been there.
And now your DK's birthday or a benchy market or DK.
Oh, okay.
And another DK birthday. But Chairman, now on Ponsa Landi dear, me sure say I'm watching a share board. No,
I'm money in a home.
By your accounts, I'll call you home.
Also, my accounts.
My accounts.
Board
my accounts. On my church.
Accounts of them.
Also, 12 million Ghana cedis be what gather 12.
Now, on my brand,
1.2 cash down.
A brand of money in a home. 2 days without arrest.
kampese anka echina na
ana abode so ko yare wo yo Sudan ho nyina salam
am so free ko nyina no hye pressure no anu edin nti obeshia board no na chese wa render account of
ana abode no zo account na account na
see you
the account na yema na no na be no be jom mom 2 days na account na prepare man
ya to nkradada o Sudan kra na ya ka kire o nti uba nyina wa boaboa ho em say enra mu nyina no information by say Samuel Sekufo edin abase oba be CEO asem nukre nie onim so mo East Legon Keep Fit Club executive club yeah. Dr. Kwame Despite Escafono a billionaires club basically
and akobi kozo ko join bi akobi di lot 1.2 billion go zo ko join bi kono mu just registration say no 150 million and was and em say new ya anyway na me ba registration go 150 million and your registration now we omo ba e tell your program no mo ba exam test your mo go 1 billion be join ngabom go ni ye bi na mpo ba bi ntra
East Legon Executive Keep Fit Club no Kumasi Asante Kotoko board members me sana also Dr. Kofi Abanye kase o US Kojo Boatin Jemfi in Rome Hotel Mr. Hart Bano and Joe Hub Constructions
Kofi
Kofi Job okay Osebus
no
because we're Joe Hub
okay.
Joe Hop. Are members of the East Legon Keep Fit Executive Club.
Okay.
Now Samuel Sekufo so hobby. Tuga hobby. And no credit. Impanyifo no binom no afre Tuga. Say ankomra. Na omunim komo. Na Tuga according to Tuga no onim komo kro. Enti speculation there everyone has so far as the call has gone the call has been placed. You are in your right to make speculation as to whether Obabe CEO, Obabe advisor, Obabe consultant, and now could open new coach because I could do board level.
I don't think so. Because open new person, yeah. Rather, they should sit down, organize themselves again. Say, be a baby, Bruno. You also never be answer of yeah. It's your buy it.
Yeah.
Information. Now the mamma and I may comment to say yes. Also, got a company for the board should call on air.
Obianim says Sammy two guy well connected. Maybe
well connected in there.
So well connected. Or Fafona or Fred buying unique. I'm betting your brand coach. Or Fred AS.
Now, when come to go, they're buying for the bit you. I say, go to buy and
oh, sir, you're far buying for under 20 assistant coach. Bia.
No, one you grow, got those 5,000 euros.
Oh, and there, and could go to 5,000 euros. They could go to meet you. See a TT amount for pay. Got a call amount for pay. I bet me a cover.
Only the 1 peso.
Oh, some amount for paying or motivate this one. Also,
solve it. I know, say, tension what. Management and board, especially the CEO, any board with them. Report se minya and say CEO akobo chairman ho. Akopa the chow say ebia otia na so ebia ne dwumadi mu ba bia on fanche no. Other board members also on federal to amfa so. Se bia kwan bi so otia obi na so because ni nyina obi adwuma oye no e kodoko ni kan kono mo pe. Na mo hwe so metia because my point is that so yina o the other CEO beba. Sasi okrona nso oba fe no so be find the footing is na na am say nya hwekra
wo experience kakra
wo hu ba bia wo fonfom ye a obeti correct no ti mesre board me say ba bia du no mo nhwe ha wo meti aya e ba yi Kotoko needs a technical director na say director of football sa nyoma no na board no mo hwe no mo so mo musika say board ne bi mo budget for the season 1 million Ghana cedi board are raise be 500,000 go and raise the rest yeah the amount je na go pay the account so with the sponsorships we say dey nyina ne changes be bring them
there me sure say changes
e be about e be some go for the board no why special advisor to the CEO and
well, some say China holidays until we are expecting say maybe from Monday. Penny for na say me and Sunday war club name into mienu kra no say back no US mienu betumi ahia no na Samuel Sekufo wa adwenkyere bi obetumi di abo na contact bi a obetumi di aboa ma kotoko etumi akọ n'animu a obetumi make those recommendations but Sami Osei-Kuffour na Musa Mituga no onim the content of the discussion board members no matron safari no but nyame boa me sure say within this week so okorenda accounts into the border e no obetumi say ho dey ye biem open floor he can apologize and hope say no but
I'll if any of the board members 8 here and I will be here kodoko here change now
okay
I was say omu nyina editum se omu nyina kodoko ne nkanko no mo pe
okay
enti na be ya omu hwe de makuo no akọ animu na enye smooth sail because na sense the new mesi akono enkoye kra enkoye also mo hwe but I don't think say changing anybody at this time will be good.
Chairman, sports ministry hono enra ye paw ana mampanyi eso afnanim say oba besom o man Ghana no sports ministry hono so ehu bisansa amanfo so ani abrese ministry position no ompe nti edin a ebeba no ni
that minister honorer
minister
so minister I say o adwuma no obi be adwuma na wo ye obasi pam no
nti name say abubanie ni Kwaite Titus Glover
David
Titus Glover din abem
David
Eugene Entry
David
MP for Subin
David Eugene Entry obedi di ayi for nyatem so just so be for come no o
chairman
jai why
into mon cancel ni din an
Eugene me MP no Subin wana onim jai
chairman Mustafa Abdul Hamid ono so edin etumi
Mustafa Hamid
yes abani din etumi abem Abubakar Sadiq Boniface
very forthright very truthful okanokre ono so
so etumi aba ena Kwabena Daku Mensa
ono
say oye takrade
na Kwabena Japan why sabe che Kwabena Japan din
kra no mi hu Rashid Bawa mu nyina
Rashid Bawa
so Ghana ambassador to Nigeria ono so edin abem na edin a ebem a menya sure but ewom Sarah Adwoasafo Adwoasafo
me feeling ho penasa ma onim o na not for credit but supposed to be sure of body Jack I guess that as what it is you ma fie bi o mbọ no anyway but you go to komo na any lost him a doctor ha na doc apom ye there
nyame adomia
nice one you go to bring aba enti me so the lost him about one some day I dey be Kumasi any amononi fo nyomo mo here live on Facebook ni ba bia
yo ebedi card enchia kese e de ama etiefo pure
yes bia joso
na masan e de achew pa kakra e de ama o a mrantie ne mpanyefo a delay man capsules no say nansen ho ayedine kakra amofra doctor delay no enya bi ento bi nto she doctor production level no mama me pijam ama she no baby a okwa wanya bi anto bi an enne me hyem boss okwa benya delay man capsules ne bi ato
okay
na de nti ama delay no ho ayedine nyina ne she you see me who say mrantie no dodo na efa enubone ebi se tramol and normal bebre and normally a man edida because Ghana han yenu ane ayedie no enye ebi de ya na judidie ebi de ya sradenam ebi de sa starching food no me chere banche emo ebro ne ba renti ama sexual organs na problems bebre e de abem entina Dr. Lawson menya abotre akope dua bi hine tse 20 akomoyre sabe kama kwati ni dunsi kro damnam asase hwam mahogany bema no makeka se no mu nyina bom me di ko kwaman abekan ebi kra de ona no sexual problem spiritual it is makope cotton asawa ni hine no na de nyina ka ho am de ayesa capsules of delay man capsules no entine no se do ne die de bia me ka ewa akukudrum se wo ye bema o ho nsore 1 year ni wono oba kwampa so what the boss wa na ho san na ho ntime nsɔre da emfa ho ni emfi e wanya nessa onum delay man capsules nessa ho ansɔre a menti ase da ɛno ntina me say spiritual kra makɔpɛ saa wa ne hine ne de aka ho no enti wonum a oba nse de sitie bia no sɛ na so ɔde kra obetimi ayɛ de prepra no ɛne yɛ delay man capsules no na dwuma ɛyɛ no mesrɛw emrantie no ya munya abotre papa because delay man capsules ne de sɛ the American ka ho asɛm no me Dr. Lawson me mfa edura enya adwuma emedwa so da because we ndro miensa me dia bedwa so ne adansidi ewom na eswani ense kachre me so mo mfa me number no drugstore na ukoye na wanya bi no sa kwa ene obenya delay man capsules ne bia yede ato o pedodo atu a me se kokole na ko ebi ho Mr. Herbal Dan Farmer anase ukoba bi ti se Fred Mess wo ebi ho have me ebi ho ba bia you tu edro koton bia also delay man capsules Dr. Lawson dia bedwa so a eye mema duro mpanyifo aduro emrante na fi 18 years ekopem nkokorawa mfie so de waduro delay man capsules de man sa na mrane se miwura medase no mesro fa number no wonum na se opra oba na we police mem ne maame mem ne papa mem de bia akọ washroom a obekaw na watnya ka cha se miwura medase number no fa number no ne pe delay man capsules ne bia kira kwan
okay number no
me number no 0242 133 577
0242
baby wo bia pick number no na betimi aboa frame me Dr. Lawson nam no kasa mfa delay man capsules no wo de ope enchechemu bia wo mu bia mekrew wonum na sa ho sole ya frame na ka chem Dr. Lawson yankopon hyiraw eno na be matimi ay odefo na enimdi a me wo ede boa Ghana man no matimi atoa so sa sedane nhire na amade mejai delay me mfa bi kura ma abontiri biam da eti Mr. fa number na frame me number no 0242 133 577
0242 133 577
wo dia koye koko ene ema no man koye ma wa hye no so se ye wodua bi efe ne koko aman ne dwuma die nyina se ehyeshi koko etutu koko free in peduam emoja no koko bi o mbe ye fro wo ko toilet moja wo ko toilet amama wo ko toilet flames no ama osisima ye mre ya na osisimu hyehyew delay man capsules ne aduro betimi apoa eye mema aduro be man ko na timi no delay man capsules ne bi wonum na so ye panyin be poa wo ya branch e be poa mesro fa me number na frame na me ncho ba bia obenya bi ato dudu ono betimi apoa kra no frame betimi aboa na ma kiro me number na 0242 133 577
0242 133 577
ebia wontimi delay because we are diabetic wo esiche yale